Hello, welcome to yoga. Today's class is going to be a little different than usual. I'm just going to teach you a very simple and wonderful breathing exercise that you can do whenever you're stressed out, whenever you feel like you're about to lose it, feeling overwhelmed, or feeling like things are just a little too much and you need to get back in the body. So this is called box breathing. Very simple, and you can do it either with the count of 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever you want. But the main thing to remember is that each side of the box needs to be the same count. So box breathing is going to be an inhale followed by a pause, followed by an exhale, followed by another pause. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, pause, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, pause, 2, 3, 4. Or you can do it, like I said, in increments of 5, 6, 7, whatever is good for you. So let's start with the count of 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it for a count of 5 now. So inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Hold. Exhale. Hold. One more round. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. So this is called box breathing. And like I said, you can do this for as many rounds as you want, wherever you want. It's something you can even do around a bunch of people and nobody's really going to notice unless you hold your breath, you know? One other thing to remember as you're pausing between the inhales and the exhales and the inhales is you don't want to clench that breath in there. You don't want to put a lid on it and shut it tight. You want it still open so it could just escape if it ever wanted to. You know, you want to leave it the room and the space to be able to take in another sip if you need, or just exhale whenever your body wants. Don't try and constrict your body at any point during this exercise. And if you find that a count of 4 is too long to start with a count of 3 or even 2. If you're hyperventilating, start with a count of 2. But I always find 4 is best, 5 is great, 6 puts me to sleep. So happy box breathing.